In front of me is ASUS Zenfone 10 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. You need to begin by locating and opening Clock app. Following that, choose Alarm section at the bottom left corner if it's not already on. Then, before creating your recording, hit those three dots at the top right corner. Select Settings and adjust all of them under Alarms however you wish to, like snooze. When you finished customizing those options to your liking, go back. To create your alarm, hit this plus at the bottom and set up an hour. Then pick days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones. Select Label. Label your alarm however you want to, if you want to, and to save your label, tap on OK. Then scroll down, tap on this switcher next to Alarm Report to switch it on. Then click on one of those options, or off, and tap on this switcher next to Vibrate to do the same with your vibrations. You can also click on Set as Group, and if you already have one, click on the chosen one to add your alarm to it. Then click on Ringtone. Click on Add New to pick music from your smartphone and apply it, or just select one of those sounds by tapping on the best one, like Busy Box. When you're satisfied with your choice, go back and save your alarm by tapping on OK at the bottom right corner. As you can see, after all that, mine was successfully created. To switch it off completely, select this switcher next to it and click on the best option for you. Then hit OK. You can switch it back on by tapping on the same, now grey switcher. In order to make some changes, just tap on one of your alarms, change whatever you wish to, and hit OK again. In order to delete it, hold it. Sorry, misclick. Click on those three dots at the top right corner, hit delete, then tap on it and select OK at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!